Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Wealthfront affiliate link verification for tracking accuracy, detailed guide step by step clearly. To verify Wealthfront affiliate link verification for tracking accuracy, start by logging into your Wealthfront affiliate dashboard. Locate the section that displays your affiliate links. Copy the affiliate link you wish to verify. Open a new tab in your web browser. Paste the affiliate link into the address bar and press enter. This should redirect you to the Wealthfront homepage or promotional page. Check the URL in the address bar to ensure it matches your original affiliate link. Next, look for any tracking parameters appended to the URL. These parameters typically include your affiliate ID and may look something like ref equals your ID. If the parameters are present, your link is set up to track accurately. Now, navigate back to the affiliate dashboard. Find the section that shows click statistics or tracking info. Record the timestamp and details of your link click for reference. Wait for a few hours to see if the click registers in your dashboard. Check the click statistics again to confirm the click has been recorded. If you see the click reflected, the verification is successful. If not, examine the link format for any errors. Ensure you did not add extra spaces or miss any characters. Now, retest the link using the same method. If the issue persists, consider reaching out to Wealthfront's affiliate support. Provide them with the details of your click and any screenshots if needed. Take note of any updates or changes in your affiliate dashboard. After confirming accuracy, you can confidently share your affiliate link. Regular checks will ensure ongoing tracking efficiency. This will help maximize your affiliate marketing efforts with Wealthfront. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.